Alright, tanim-tanim. Today we're going to plant the corn. Alright, so let us see if the corn gonna be survive. So this is our first gardening. So it's only experimenting. Me and husband first experience gardening. And we started planting at the month of May. The soil is mabato. That's why my husband needs to clean first before we put this corn. Can I plant na?
Huh?
Can I plant na? Yeah, in the Philippines we just like this or like that, and then I will throw it one seed like that, and then like that.
That's fine.
Alright. Oh wow. So this is for the corn.
One seed every 4 inches. 4 inches. So tear these off like that. We only got one packet, so there's not very many.
I think we still have 2 pieces. Ito, bunga tama. Dito iya. Ito mo. Piste. Oh, piste man ito.
One.
I see. And then I will, ano na?
Huh?
Do we need
It says 4 inches. It's more like 8. You can place them, you know. We can just go like that, a little bit closer. So,
and then we cover it na?
yeah.
How?
Just like you
that?
showed, yeah.
Using my feet?
Yeah.
Alright.
You can just go like this, babe.
My feet. Like
Okay.
that. Okay, good. Put it over there, and I don't want to, ano.
Oh, grab.
For the chicken.
They might like them.
So ito yung mga itatanim ko. Pero meron na. My God, what is that? Lettuce po. Pero nakapagpa tubo na ako here in my greenhouse. There you go. So, kailangan nang i-transfer sa soil in my garden over there. Are you ready, plantita? Laki mo no. Nalipatak no manuti presyo na ito eh. I think nasa basta $1 plus or $2. Ano lang ang piraso na eh. Oh my God. So let us see. Magtubog ako That's the secret how you plant. You need to talk to the seeds, that you need to say, please grow, please grow. And this is the wrapper of all the seeds we already plants as a level, so that we know what kind of plants we plant over there. After we plant, we need to watering to grow fast. And after how many days? Look at this. This is the corn. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, Wala si Coy. Transfer. Ako pa na-transfer ang plants ko dito sa house. Look at how big they are. One of these days, transfer ko na lang. Kaso nga wala pang gate or fence. Kakainin lang ng deer. Alright. Transplanting. Alright. So here's this planting. Ito na yung mga naitanim. Cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, spinach, carrots, okra, sitaw, bataw, patani, kondo, patola, upat, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pa labanos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Ligid ay puno ng kalinga. Alright, kalinga. Oh, look at that. Oh. So now we are transplanting. And also yung mga plants ko dun sa greenhouse. Right? I'm just using shovel or pala for transplanting. And it takes only an hour to do transplanting, and the weather is so beautiful to do this stuff. And as you can see, I still don't have fence for my garden, but I'm worried about my plants because they are getting big and they look dying because of the small pot, and I feel sad. That's why I'm transplanting them today. So look at this, they need big space, so I think it's perfect time to do transplanting. So here's the cucumber, squash, same goes to the seeds that we planted before. Come on. All right, come on. Good boy. So here's the problem. We saw a lot of bunnies eating some of my plants. So we let Jasper to get rid them away. And look at Jasper. He loves doing his job. Here, don't go far. No more bunnies. Come on. Alright, that's it. How I wish you enjoyed this vlog, and hope to see you again on my next gardening journey. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you don't subscribe yet.